How to install Notebook Privacy Satin Touch. Avoid mistakes. Before starting the installation, watch the video until the end. Prepare your device. Clean the screen with a dry cloth. This is a very important step. The screen must be completely clean before installation. Remove the white protective backing. Place the installation set on the screen, paying attention to the cutouts. Lift one part of the installation set. Bend the material by up to 180 degrees so that the pre-cut layer can move freely across the surface of the device. Use the squeegee to apply it. Repeat this step on the other side of the screen. If any air bubbles remain, use the squeegee to remove them. Remove the protective layer from the material. If any air bubbles remain, use the squeegee to remove them. Any remaining imperfections should disappear within 48 hours. Your privacy protection is ready.